In the heart of an ancient forest, where sunbeams danced through emerald leaves, lived a small, inquisitive squirrel named Nutkin. His bright eyes sparkled with curiosity, and his bushy tail twitched with excitement at every new discovery. Nutkin was known throughout the forest for his adventurous spirit and kind heart. One crisp autumn morning, as golden leaves carpeted the forest floor, Nutkin set out on his daily foraging expedition. As he scampered from tree to tree, his keen eyes scanning the ground for nuts and seeds, something unusual caught his attention. There, nestled among fallen leaves, lay an acorn unlike any he had ever seen before. It gleamed with a soft, golden light, as if it had captured the very essence of sunlight within its shell. Fascinated, Nutkin gently picked up the golden acorn. It felt warm in his paws, pulsing with a strange energy. Without hesitation, he decided to plant it, curious to see what might grow from such an extraordinary seed. That night, as Nutkin slept in his cozy tree hollow, something magical happened. The golden acorn, nourished by the rich forest soil and bathed in moonlight, began to sprout. By morning, a sapling had emerged, its leaves shimmering with a metallic gold hue. Nutkin awoke to find a crowd of forest animals gathered around the miraculous tree. Word had spread quickly, and creatures of all kinds, from tiny field mice to majestic deer, had come to marvel at the sight. As days passed, the tree grew at an astonishing rate. Soon, it towered above the other trees, its golden leaves casting a warm glow throughout the forest. Animals from far and wide journeyed to see the spectacular tree, each hoping to claim a golden leaf for themselves. Seeing the potential for conflict, Nutkin realized he had a responsibility. He called a meeting of all the forest animals and proposed a plan. "Friends," he said, his voice filled with determination, "this tree is a gift to all of us. Let's share its bounty fairly and use it to make our forest a better place for everyone." The animals agreed, and under Nutkin's guidance, they established a system. Each day, a few golden leaves would be carefully harvested and distributed among those in need. The leaves, they discovered, had healing properties and could be used to help sick or injured animals. As time went on, the golden tree became the heart of the forest community. Animals who had never interacted before found themselves working together. The old owl used his wisdom to organize education sessions beneath the tree's branches. The rabbits, with their quick feet, formed a messenger service to spread important news. Even the grumpy old badger found purpose in overseeing the fair distribution of the golden leaves. The forest flourished like never before. The animals learned valuable lessons about sharing, cooperation, and the importance of community. They started to care for the forest with renewed vigor, planting new trees and cleaning up streams. However, their harmony was tested when a group of greedy wolves from a neighboring forest heard about the golden tree. They plotted to steal all the golden leaves for themselves. One night, as the forest slept, the wolves crept in. But they hadn't counted on Nutkin's vigilance. The clever squirrel had organized a night watch, and soon the alarm was raised. Every animal in the forest, from the smallest mouse to the largest bear, united to protect their precious tree. The wolves, faced with such unity and determination, realized they were outnumbered. The leader of the wolves, seeing the beauty of the forest and the strength of its community, felt ashamed. He apologized and asked if they could learn from the forest's example. Nutkin and the other animals, showing true forgiveness and wisdom, welcomed the wolves. They taught them about sharing and community. And soon the wolves became valuable members of the forest. From that day forward, the forest became known as the Grove of Harmony. The golden tree continued to grow, its roots spreading far and wide, connecting all parts of the forest. And at the base of the tree, a small plaque was placed, reading, "From one small act of curiosity and kindness, a whole world can change." Nutkin lived a long and happy life, respected and loved by all. And though he grew old, his eyes never lost their curious sparkle. For he knew that every day held the possibility of a new golden acorn, a new chance to make the world a little bit brighter.